Hi, Debbie Chew here from Chewonvegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a completely vegan, of course, broccoli soup. Super easy, super quick, delicious. And we're going to be using, of course, broccoli and some carrots and some spices. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is I've got a little vegetable broth in here, and I'm going to add a couple cloves of garlic and let that saute for just a couple of minutes. So to the sauteing garlic, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of flour, and we're going to let this cook for a minute or two. To the flour, we're going to add 1 cup of nut milk. I'm using almond, and 2 cups of water. And we're going to whisk this constantly. And we're going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit. We don't want any lumps in this. And once it comes up to a boil, it's going to thicken. Okay, we have a lovely boil here. So now we are going to add 3 cups. Actually, I'm going to add my spices first. I've got a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. I have a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika and just a dash of cayenne, just to give it a little kick, because I love a little kick. Stir that in. Then we're going to stir in 3 cups of chopped broccoli and 1 cup of shredded carrots. Give this a stir. We're going to let this simmer for 15 or 20 minutes. And then I have one more ingredient I'm going to add at the very end. It's time for the last ingredient, and this is a 1/4 cup of cashew cream. This is going to make this really rich and creamy. And I have a recipe for this on my channel. I'll link to that video in the description box so you can make your cashew cream. So we're just going to let this cook for another couple minutes, and then we are ready to eat. Soup is done. Looky, looky. I had a little hot sauce on top, so I'm going to give this a try. It's beautiful. It's hot. That is fantastic. Woo! Yes, I love a little hot sauce. I love a little kick in food. But this is perfect. And this took what? Maybe 30 minutes tops with prep and everything. So be sure to give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.